All right, I wanted to get this video for y'all because I promised this. And it just happened last night. I got to working and decided to do some wiring. I've got the battery tender hooked up to help. I've got the map sensor rewired because the plug I had was a weird plug. So I just said, hell with it, rewired it. For what I know of, I have all the vacuum sources connected over here through the vacuum distribution block. Yeah, so let's make sure nothing's on the belt system, nothing can get snagged. Apologize, I'm excited for this, and I know you guys are. Now, I have to forewarn you, the starter is bad. So as I fire this up, I'm gonna have to smack on it with this hammer here, which I'd have to just do like this right here, like that. The starter's bad. I mean, I guess that's what, you get when you buy junkyard stuff. So if I can get all this out of the way and get this up here on top of the ECU. All right, so ECU on, you guys will hear a click. So power the car. Let's get some fuel pressure going. And then cut fuel off just in case. And then and a fuel. So I've got to get this damn starter to work, and it's giving me a hard time, so let's try this again. Give it again. Too much fuel, let's cut fuel off. Reset ECU. And cut it off. I promised y'all video. I know that's not good, but I promised y'all the video, so here's the video. It's gonna be short, but it runs. I mean, let's get a video up here. Last one. Try to get my hands out of the way. There. ECU on. Prime some fuel. Fuel off. Boy, that sounds sick. Other than that starter, God, it sounds sick.